Hello everyone, myself Snehal Sapkar. Today I am going to give a presentation on cyclone separator, which is subpoint from size separation. Size separation means separation of mixture of various sizes of particles into two or more proportion. And cyclone separation means a basic concept. After hearing the word cyclone is a system of wind rotating inward direction with an anticlockwise or clockwise rotation. And separation means to separate any particle. L- Points to be covered: first, introduction; second, principle; third, figure; fourth, construction; fifth, working; sixth, advantages; seventh, disadvantages; eight, uses. Learning outcome: after completing this point, we all should be able to explain, that is principle, construction, working, advantages, disadvantages, and uses of cyclone separator in pharmaceutical industries. Introduction: cyclone separator have been used in United States for about 100 years and are still one of the most widely used of all industrial gas cleaning devices. Second point: cyclone separator or simply cyclone are separation devices that are use the principle of gravity to remove particulate matter from flue gases. Third point: it is important to note that cyclone can vary in their size. Principle: first, mainly used to separate solid from fluid. Second, principle involved in the separation of solid is by centrifugal force, and centrifugal force means force away from the center. Third point, main operating principle of cyclone is dirty air enters the slide and air swirls around the cylinder. Dirty air means air containing solid particles enters in the cylinder or cyclone separator and it swirls or wash out around the cylinder. Fourth point, particulate falls from the bottom of the cone and out. Figure: it consists inlet duct and outlet duct. Inlet duct through which air enters and outlet duct through which clean gas comes out. Dust out means dusty particles get settled at the base. Barrel means cylindrical in shape, and it also consists inner vortex and outer vortex. Vortex means spinning or the motion of fluid rapidly in a circular way around the center. Construction: it consists of vertical cylindrical vessels with a conical base. Second point, inlet it inlet is fitted at the top and solid outlet at the base. Inlet means the part from which air enters in the cylindrical, and outlet means from which it comes out. Third point, fluid outlet is at the center of the top portion. Fourth point, a cyclone uses an induced draft fan to move gas through the steam through the device. Fifth point, cyclone consists an upper cylindrical part refer as an barrel and lower part refer as an cone. Working: the working principle of cyclone is as follows. The gas stream enters the cyclone in a manner that it spiral around inside the cyclone, means the feed or gas stream enters tangentially in high velocity in separator in such a way that it moves in circular manner or it spins in motion. Second point, the particles with greater inertia will be forced to the outside wall of the device. Inertia means tendency to do nothing or remain unchanged until any external force is not applied. Third point, the particles will then fall to the cone to the collection hopper due to the collision with the outside wall of the device. Means due to the collision of wall, the particles will collect at the collection hopper. Fourth point, the clean gas then will rise near the center and executed through the top device. Rise means moving from lower to higher one. Advantages: it has simple construction. Second point, non-moving part. Non-moving part means the device is made up of solid, so it cannot move from one place to another. Third point, little maintenance. Little maintenance means it requires little time, money, or efforts to look after it. Fourth point, low investment and operation. Low investment and operation means it requires or it has lower cost with an greater efficiency. And last one, that is versatile application, means it can perform many functions or uses. Disadvantages, it has high pressure loss depending upon the setup. Second, low yield for low diameter particles. Third, poor performance for partial load. Fourth, possible noise pollution. And last one, difficult to obtain good separation of substance from similar densities. Uses. First, use in oil refineries to separate oil and gases. Second, use in industrial level to remove particles of smoke. Third, use to control air pollution because of removal of particulate matter from air. Here is an one video which will explain you much better. Thank you.